Welcome everyone. Today's adventure begins on a very chilly 35-degree morning, but we have one of the best views in all of Disney World. Today is February 24th, 2026. We will be scouting out the progress of ongoing construction in the Magic Kingdom. We will start with Cinderella's Castle, then we will take a jaunt over to the Haunted Mansion, and finally finish up with the pretty unbelievable views of Cars Land, aka Piston Peak, and Villains Land. One of the most surprising views is of the Castle Moat. It is bone dry empty. Look at this. Fun fact, the entire moat holds almost 3.4 million gallons of water. The average depth is 6 feet, and at its deepest point it is 7 feet. Here is a great view of the contrast, changing from rose, pink, and gold to gray and white. Do you think they'll forget to paint these pink bricks over here? The repaint is expected to take most of 2026. The castle is 189 feet tall and will take over 400 gallons of paint to complete the transformation. The moat needs to be drained to accommodate vehicles, equipment, and workers during this changeover. Now let's head over to the Haunted Mansion to see what's lurking around over there. Currently, we have a photo wrap screen covering the mansion that is undergoing an extensive exterior refurbishment, roof work, and changes to the graveyard. The Haunted Mansion is 54 years old, so it is about time for a little glow up. Now from the mansion to Piston Peak, no longer the rivers of America. Big Thunder Mountain has almost completed its refurbishment and due to open back up in the spring and will return with significant upgrades including new rainbow cavern scenes and track improvement. The water here at Tiana's has also been drained during the transformation of Frontierland. Off in the distance, you can see trucks moving about, containers full of tools, equipment, dumpsters, porta potties, lighting equipment, and Tom Sawyer's Island is no longer. We are looking forward to the new lands, but it's going to be a while yet. We are working hard to reach our goal of 1,500 subscribers. Please, if you can, like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And also ring the bell to receive future notification when we post our videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon.